Uber One Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how ride-sharing memberships have evolved in 2025. Uber One promises discounts, priority service, and exclusive perks, but is it worth subscribing? The surprising truth is value. Most people get this wrong by assuming memberships are only for frequent riders. Uber One offers benefits for both occasional users and regular customers, including up to 10% off rides and food delivery through Uber Eats. One major advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see priority pickups, flexible scheduling, and waived delivery fees on select orders. Members also enjoy perks like prize protection and member-only promotions. The membership enhances loyalty rewards, giving points and credits that can be redeemed for future rides or discounts. Safety features remain a priority with access to driver tracking, emergency assistance, and two-way ratings. However, there are cons. The subscription fee may not justify the benefits for casual riders, and some promotions are location-dependent. Peak pricing still applies, and membership does not eliminate occasional cancellations. In conclusion, Uber One in 2025 is ideal for riders and delivery users seeking discounts, priority service, and loyalty rewards. While casual users may find limited value, the combination of cost savings, convenience, and exclusive perks makes it a worthwhile option for frequent Uber customers.